everyone, welcome back to FOMOds. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Stryfe more comfortable with these 3 parts. So here's the Stryfe I built. You'll remember it from the last video I did. It has a few pieces in the grip here, which makes it very comfortable. First of all, it has the out of darts extended grip, which makes your hand not crumble inside here, which it does if you have anything besides kid-sized hand or very small hands, because the design is very weird because it's very long down in the front and very short in the back. And then I've also got the Foam Blast Bubble style rev trigger, 3D printed, which gives you more space really to push, and the worker mag release. This just makes you have a nicer place to put your finger, and the worker mag release you can both hit with your middle finger like that, and while you take the magazine, grab with your index finger like that. If you want any of these pieces, they're gonna be linked in the description below. They are very easy to install, as it's just replacing with the old pieces. Except for this, you'll need just some simple tools. For example, in my hand, it looks something like this, which you can click all the way down here to all the way up there, and you can have much wider finger and still be comfortable. And this, you see in my hand, I can hold it down here without it curling inwards. So these are parts which I definitely recommend to anyone doing a Stryfe mod. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.